Welcome back to Bear Cave Watch Reviews. I'm your host, Papa Bear, and today we'll be taking a look at the Pagani Design PD 1888, or the Bluesy Homage. This is an amazing homage watch that I've always loved and never willing to drop the money on the actual piece from Rolex. But that being said, this watch in particular has really scratched that itch, and I'm really excited to bring it to you guys. Even though there are other reviews of it online, this is Papa Bear's review of it. So just want to be clear, this was not sent to me by Pagani Design. I traded a couple of watches for it with a fellow watch enthusiast in one of the Facebook groups that I belong to. I say that because I want you to know that this is going to be a completely unbiased review. As always, I'll give you my pros and cons, overall thoughts about the watch, and let you know at the end if it gets the Bear Cave seal of approval. And as you can already tell, this box is a little bit different from the other Pagani Design boxes. So that was the very first thing that I noticed when I opened up my package was this looks a little different. So let's just take a look inside. I've already sized the watch. So we're just going to do what's in the box and go from there. All right, so first thing in the box, Pagani Design cleaning cloth, watch. There's a tag in there, and I still haven't put them in a little bag, but here are the links. So let's move that out of the way because we don't need that. And let's take a look at the watch. Take it off. All right, so here it is. It's just a really great looking watch. I'm going to move it over here to the side. Try not to get too much glare so I can put the specs on here in a moment. But just take a look at that watch right there. Really, really nice. Okay, so let me start by saying that I just got this watch yesterday. So this is like a first impression slash mini review. When I opened the box up, I told you it was a different box that I was seeing. And then I got to the watch and I was just like, whoa, this is a really good looking watch. I had expected it to be, a little bit nicer than my Pro Diver Bluesy, but this thing is over the top nicer. The dial is gorgeous. It's the bigger case. The ceramic insert is nice. It's just really, really nicely built. The bracelet is nice. I like the new design on the clasp. It does not have the on the fly adjustment, but that's okay. I don't need to have that to make it a better watch. So let's look at the specs again. This is the PD 1888. It's got a Miyota movement in it, 316 surgical stainless steel case, solid end links on the bracelet. It is got sapphire crystal, and I don't know if you can see it there. It has the right magnification, 2.5, which is awesome. That just makes me even more happy. It is water resistant. This says, let's just see if we can read it. Online it says 10 bars, so that's what we're going to go with. I've already sized it, but the regular weight is 162 grams, so it's not a chunky thing, but it's got 3 links out of it, so it's a good weight. Now, let me get the cleaning cloth out here, since that's such a popular thing for people to see, is it being cleaned up. Not really sure why, but anyway. Okay. Now let's talk about some things that I really love about this watch. The dimensions are great. It is the bigger case, but it doesn't wear like a very big watch. The movement, Miyota seems to be just fine for it, especially at the price point. The dial, beautiful looking dial. The indices are really, really nice. They're all applied. Traditional Mercedes hands, of course, and they look good. The bracelet has a really nice taper to it. Starts, goes all the way thin, goes back up. Again, the Cyclops is the right size. Now, things that I don't like about the watch, and this has been really difficult because, again, I just got it in yesterday, but The only thing that I could think of is the on-the-fly adjustment. Other than that, there's no sharp edges to it. Um, the gold plating looks really good. It does come with screws instead of push pins. And let's see if we can hear the uh, bezel. And it does align there. Okay. So now the thing that I really like and is really impressive, and again, uh, I felt the same way when I got my Pagani Speedmaster homage, is just how good it looks. I mean, it is very impressive. This is definitely not leaving my rotation anytime soon. And I think I'm going to do a bluesy week and wear it the whole week. So I'm just going to try to get the most out of it. Now, um, would I give this watch the Bear Cave seal of approval? Yeah, absolutely. This watch definitely gets the Bear Cave seal of approval. Um, I am going to put links to the official Pagani site in the description. So if you're interested in getting it, again, I did not get this sent to me. I'm just sharing it with people so that they can see it um, because it's just a really great looking watch. And I'm so blown away by it that I thought I had to do this review as quickly as possible. Now, one more thing that I'm quote unquote disappointed in or think is could be better is the loom. Uh, it, I have a Hulk homage, and the loom on that thing isn't very good. This is pretty much the same. I mean, granted, I'm not going to turn the lights off. It's got the blue loom, but it's not very strong. So those are two things, the loom and the on-the-fly adjustment. But other than that, the watch is amazing. So again, I don't know whether it's just that my standards have lowered a little or I'm just more realistic in what I'm looking at now. But between this and my Speedmaster homage, they're amazing. They're both really, really great. So, okay. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. Thanks for coming back and checking out the video. Again, I don't make any money off this. This is simply just me sharing my love of watches and trying to review uh, watches that I like, that I buy. And I have a bunch of new videos coming out soon. So uh, if you like what you see and you haven't subscribed yet, please do. You can follow me on all the other social media platforms. I'm on all of them. Bear Cave Reviews. Just I'll put a link for those in the description. And I will see you next time.